इस वीडियो में हम लोग सीखेंगे कि त्रिभुज की एक भुजा का मान उस भुजा पर बने कोण तथा अन्य दो भुजाओं के रूप में कैसे ज्ञात किया जाता है। हाउ कैन वी फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ अ साइड ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल with the help of the two angle formed on this side and two remains side of the triangle. So first of all, the formula is here: a equal to b cos c, c cos b, b equal to a cos b, a cos c, and c cos b, a cos c, and c cos a. और थर्ड है c इक्वल टू a cos b plus b cos. Okay, the this is the triangle. This is the triangle. In triangle, the opposite side is a, that is b, that is c. This angle is b, that is c. The angle is a. So equal to b cos c, c cos b. Okay. तो प्रूफ करेंगे बेटा. द प्रूफ हियर, triangle ABC is acute triangle. Okay, acute triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C, opposite B, side C, opposite A. The side of the triangle A, B, C, and the angle of the triangle A, B, C draw perpendicular here from A to point to side B. So AD perpendicular to BC. Then we can say in triangle ABD, this is BD upon AB, that provides us cos B. Then BD equal to AB cos C. AB is C, so BD equal to C cos B. In triangle ACD, this is the right triangle, that is the angle, ये right angle है, तो right triangle फॉर्मेट हो रहा है, तो cos CD by AC, ये बेस है, हाइपोटेन्यूज है, परपेंडिकुलर है, तो CD by AC provides us cos C. So CD equal to AC is B cos C. Therefore BC equal to BD plus DC. BD how much? BD is C cos B and CD is B cos C and BC is A. So when triangle is a plate triangle, we say that A equal to C cos B, B cos C equal to C cos B, B cos C. Second, when triangle is right angle, this is right triangle है, A, B, C, that is 90, A, that is C, and that is B. Okay, cos equal to how much? A by B. Okay, so A equal to B cos C प्लस 0 लिख दिया है. A equal to B cos C plus C into cos 90, because cos 90 is 0, 0 to something 0. B cos C and cos 90, B is 90, so C cos. That is the formula. B cos C and C cos Third beta, one triangle is obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle. Then in obtuse triangle we can form it like this. A, that is A, that is B, C, B and C produce the side of CB and draw a perpendicular from A to BC, that is D. This is C, that is 180 minus B, that is B, 180 minus B. We can say here cos 180 minus B, that gives us base is BD and that is C in triangle ABD minus cos 180 minus cos theta होता है BD by C, that is BD equal to minus C cos B. In triangle ACD, in triangle ACD, that is cos C equal to opposite base is CD and hypotenuse is B, so B cos C equal to CD. We know that BC equal to how much? CD minus BD. CD is B cos C, BD is minus B minus C cos B, that is B cos C plus C cos B. So in three cases we see that when the triangle is acute triangle, we find that A equal to C cos B, C cos B, B cos C. In a right triangle we also find that in right triangle. So we also find that A equal to B cos C, C cos B. On the triangle of obtuse triangle, we also find that A equal to B, C equal to A can write down here. So B cos C plus C cos B. In each cases, we find out that A can be represented in form of the two side, remain side of the triangle and the angle formed on their side. ओके तो इसे रिप्रेजेंट किया जा सकता है और अगर आप इसको भूल जा रहे हैं तो एक छोटा सा मेथड है इसको जानने के लिए देखिएगा कुछ नहीं करना आपको छोटा सा मेथड्स राइट डाउन ए बी सी cos B cos C close A B cos C C cos B B cos C C cos B close B A cos C cross multiplication C cos A cos C C cos C close C A cos B and B cos A. So easy we can find out, we can prove the other B and C same as that we put the side A. Okay, this is the formula. ये कैसा फॉर्मूला है जब किसी त्रिभुज में किसी भुजा को उस पर बने हुए दो कोणों तथा शेष भुजाओं के रूप में रिप्रेजेंट करना हो तो हम इस फॉर्मूले का उपयोग करते हैं we use this formula. Now in our previous video we discussed the cosine rule and the sine rule in this form, that is also known as the form projection formula. इसे प्रोजेक्शन फॉर्मूला भी कहते हैं। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रूव दैट sin a by 2 equal to s minus b s minus c upon bc sin b by 2 s minus c s minus a upon ca sin c by 2 s minus a s minus b upon cb। ओके, देखिएगा, we know that cos a equal to 1 minus 2 sin a square a by 2. This is the formula. 2 sin a square a by 2 in triangle ABC. 1 minus cos a. Okay. Cos है cosja. What is the cosja rule? B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Take the LCM 2BC minus B square minus C square plus A square upon 2BC. Okay. A square positive, take the minus sign. We form that B square C square minus 2BC upon 2BC. A square, that is B minus C whole square upon 2BC. 2 sin square A by 2. Okay. Sin square A by 2 equal to A plus B minus C. A plus B minus B. And second A minus B plus C by 4BC. We know that 2S equal to A plus B plus C, where S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. So 2S is the parameter of the triangle. Perimeter is A plus B plus C. Therefore, A plus B can write 2S minus C equal to A plus B, and 2S minus B equal to A plus C. Substitute here the value, that is sin square A by 2, that provides us A plus B 2S minus C and A plus C 2S minus B whole divided by 4BC. 2s 2 common s minus c, 2 common s minus b upon 4bc, 2 to 4 s minus b s minus c upon 4bc, that is sin a by 2, 4 cancel, so sin a by 2 equal to s minus b s minus c upon b। अगर मैं यहाँ B कर दूं तो V हो जाएगा, ये फॉर्मूला प्रूव हो जाएगा। अगर मैं यहाँ C कर दूं तो दिस फॉर्मूला कैन बी प्रूव। तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ cosine rule we can prove that sin A equal to under root s minus a upon bc, sin B equal to b by 2 equal to s minus a upon ca, and sin C by 2 s minus b upon ab. Okay, the next formula is cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Cos a by 2 provide us s minus a upon bc. Cos b by 2 provide us s minus b upon ca, and cos c by 2 provide us under root S minus C upon AB. Okay, proof. We know that cos A equal to how much? In previous lecture you study about it. Cos equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. 1 plus cos equal to how much? 2 cos square A by 2. Therefore, 2 cos square A by 2 provide us 1 plus cosine rule. Cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Take the LCM here. 2BC plus B square plus C square minus A square. Okay. This is the A plus B whole square. That is B plus C whole square minus A square upon 2BC. B plus C plus A. B plus C minus A upon 4BC. Okay, or we know that A plus B plus equal to how much? 2S equal to A plus B plus C. So cos square A by 2 equal to A plus B plus C can out 2S, that is 2S. B plus C के प्लेस में मैं ले सकता हूँ 2S minus C already upon 4BC cos A by 2 2 कॉमन ले लो 4S S minus C upon ये आना चाहिए यार B plus C सॉरी B plus C minus A है B plus minus A minus 2A upon 4BC 4 cancel then cos A by 2 how much S minus A upon BC. अब similarly you want to prove that cos B by 2 तो take here B फिर B प्लेस कर दो C प्रूव करना तो यहाँ C ले लो तो with the help of this you can prove the formula cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos T by 2. Okay, अब Hero's formula. Also see a formula here, then Hero's formula. तो पहले फॉर्मूला देखिए प्रूव नहीं कराएंगे आप खुद प्रूव करिएगा सिंपल है tan A by 2 equal to sin A by 2 upon cos A by 2 or put the formula you find S minus B S minus C upon S minus A. Similarly tan B by 2 S minus C S minus A upon S minus B and tan C by 2 equal to S minus C S minus A S minus B upon S minus C. So easily you can prove it, okay, but you have need to learn it. tan A by 2 to S minus upon S minus A tan B by 2 यहाँ देखो A है तो अब न्यूमरेटर में A नहीं है डिनोमिनेटर में है यहाँ B है तो न्यूमरेटर में B नहीं है यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में है यहाँ C है तो न्यूमरेटर में C नहीं है डिनोमिनेटर में है okay. So with the help of this can learn the formula. Now this is the triangle A B C draw perpendicular, okay, that is A, that is B, and that is किसी को सपोज कोई जरूरी नहीं किसी को सपोज okay, that is the 90, that is D in triangle ABD sin A equal to Sin A equal to perpendicular BD. C is C, A is A, and B is B. So sin C equal to BD by C. That's why BD equal to C sin A. Or area of the triangle is half base into altitude. Area of the triangle is half base into altitude. हाफ बेस क्या है बेटा बी है एल्टीट्यूड सी साइन है ओके हाफ बी सी साइन ए कैन बी रिप्रेजेंट टू साइन ए बाई टू कॉस ए बाई टू साइन ए बाई टू cos a by 2 2 cancel that is the bc sin a s minus b s minus c upon bc cos a s minus a upon bc within under root multiply this bc into bc square out of the root on that s minus a s minus b s minus c that is considered that is the area triangle known as Heron formula that is known as Heron formula and you study in a high school and 7-6 तो ये हीरोन फॉर्मूला है तो दैट इज द सम फॉर्मूले ऑफ द triangle relation between angle and a triangle side and the triangle and after that we solve the sum problem based on it in my next video and then we describe what is the in circle what is the circumcircle and how can we find the radius with the of this circle with the help of the side of the triangle. Thank you.